In this video, I'm going to explain about breadboard. Breadboard is a simple plug-and-play device where we can use different modules to test and do experiments before doing any project. Breadboard consists of holes where we're going to place the modules. All these holes are actually interconnected. In the middle section, holes are connected vertically, and at the end, holes are connected horizontally. For example, if we give power supply or if we connect any pin here, we can take out that power supply or the signal from that pin from any of these holes. If we connect power supply here, we can take that power supply again from any of these 4 holes only, but not from the B side. And in the middle we have a gap. It means this hole and this hole is not connected internally. This is a brief explanation about breadboard, and we're going to see how to use breadboard by using these components. We can extend the power supply from battery to breadboard by using this connector clip. After connecting battery to the breadboard, now this complete horizontal line become positive and the second line become negative. It means if we want to give power supply to any of our modules, we just have to connect a wire from this positive line to the module and again back from that module to the negative line.